I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study for the Ielts exam at home. First, familiarize yourself with the 4 core sections: listening, reading, writing, and speaking. Each section presents unique challenges, so understanding their format is crucial. Next, establish a consistent study routine, aiming for at least 2 hours of focused work every day. This dedicated time will build your skills steadily. Finally, use official Ielts practice tests to gauge your progress and pinpoint areas needing more attention. For the listening section, immerse yourself in various English audio like podcasts or news to train your ear for different accents and speeds. Aim for 30 minutes of active listening daily. In reading, practice skimming and scanning techniques on academic articles to quickly locate key information. Work on understanding complex sentence structures. Remember to complete full practice tests for both sections within the 60-minute time limit for each, simulating exam conditions to improve your focus and speed. The writing section requires precision. For Task 1, practice describing data accurately, using appropriate vocabulary for trends and comparisons. For Task 2, focus on developing well-structured essays with clear arguments and supporting evidence. Aim to write at least 2 essays and 2 data descriptions weekly. Expand your vocabulary and grammar by actively learning new words and sentence patterns. Seek feedback on your writing to identify common errors and refine your expression. For the speaking test, consistent practice is key. Speak English every day, even if it's just talking to yourself about daily activities. Record your responses to common Ielts speaking questions to analyze your pronunciation, intonation, and fluency. Try to speak for at least 2 minutes on a given topic without significant pauses. Expand your vocabulary related to common themes like hobbies, work, and travel. Finally, conduct mock interviews with a friend or tutor to build confidence and manage time effectively.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.